How to download product drawings from METCASE. Accessing 2D and 3D drawings is easy. Step 1. Visit the product page and click on a suitable product. Step 2. At the top of the page, select the 3D Models and Drawings Info tab to view available files. You also have the option to click the pink 3D or 2D download button, or simply scroll down and select the Drawings/Info tab to view technical files. This reveals all available technical documents. Step 3. Click to download. For PDF, DWG, and DXF files, the download will begin straight away. For 3D formats, you'll be directed to the VIP lounge. Once you're in the VIP lounge, to access the files, log in with your email and password, or register if you are a new user. Please note, downloading 3D files can only be carried out once new users have been through the registration process. Once registered, you can log in and download files anytime you visit.